Alright, welcome back. Let's solve the daily Leetcode problem. Today will be the 7 days of my commitment. So the daily Leetcode problem is literally related to the Leetcode problem that we solved yesterday. So we have to find the minimum rotated in sorted array 2. So let's try to recall back what we have done yesterday first. So if I'm not wrong, we just used the binary search approach in yesterday, and we don't even consider the duplication number in yesterday. So the Leetcode problem is quite similar to the yesterday one. So suppose that we have a lunch of the array in ascending order rotate between 1 to n time. So for instance, we are given array like 1 to 0 to 7, which might become like 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, 1, 4. So it's rotated 4 times. But if it is rotated 7 times, 0, 1, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we need to notice that there's a double 4 in the array, not just the individual 4 in our given array. So it's quite simple. We can treat it like nums.sorted.first. So that could probably give us the answer that we want. Or we can just take like nums.minimum to get the answer that we are hoping for, but that is not how we want to solve the problem. So let's try to get the minimum in here and submit. Oops, I need the option in here. Let's put it at the default as a 0. Cool. So what about we solve in the proper way? So we have this Leetcode given in here. So if I have to recall correctly from the yesterday issue, the yesterday problem, what we could use is a two-point approach. Let's do the two-point approach that we have written yesterday. So if I remember yesterday, we used a two-point approach called left and right. Right should be the nums.count -1. We need like left is less than the right. We can iteration through non-stop. Like we gotta find the mid, will be left plus right minus left divided by 2. And then we're gonna check like nums of mid is greater than nums of right. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do the mid plus 1 to the left. So we just move our mid to here. And let's consider we have like 2 arrows in here, supposedly, and another arrow in here initially. So if we saw the value is comparison of the index, 2 index in here. But there's a one case we need to think about is yesterday we just do like else right equal to mid in here. And then we just return the nums of left. But that is true for the median case of finding the minimum in rotated sorted array. But that will not be true in here. The reason why it is not true is, okay, let me try to submit. We need to take a consideration of what if the two numbers are, or 2 or more numbers are the same values. So we could face an else problem. So it's pretty simple. We add a one more case. So mid is greater than the nums of right. Instead of that, then we just need a one more. If the two values are same, we can just drop the value from the right. And then that is the answer we are expecting, and it will be O of log n, if I'm not wrong. For the time complexity, for the speed, that will be the O of n. Oh yeah, okay, that's the runtime is O of n and the speed is O of 1. That's what we want, and that's pretty much for it, and I'll see you in the next one.